Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I will show you guys how I do my signature fro. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. My hair was in twists for like 2 to 3 days, and I was ready to take them out just to rock this fro. All you need is a simple afro or big tooth comb just to comb out in between the small ends of your hair strands. To keep oil in my hair, I use wild growth hair oil to make my hair grow and keep oils, natural oils in my hair. Last but not least, I use 24-hour edge tamer to keep those edges popping. And this is the result of my signature afro. I even rocked it 2 days later by putting updos and making it look cute. But thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.